Hi, my name's Gary Schill, and if you're in a kids-based program, you've probably seen my videos talking about how you can drive more revenue in 10 weeks of summer than most academies drive all year long. Many employers are requiring their staff to get back to the office, so this is one of the greatest opportunities in 30 years to build a camp or improve your existing camp. Now, I'm hosting a 2-day special live event. It's called our Summer Camp Business Success Webinar, and it's on April 10th and 11th. In this 2-day live event, I'm going to give you our Summer Camp Business Success Blueprint, and I'm going to walk you through step by step on how to build your camp, what to charge, daily activities, schedules, hiring staff, and all the systems and processes necessary to build a successful summer camp. We're also going to teach you how to use this camp as the ultimate lead funnel. Now, I'm offering this at the no-brainer investment of $397. And to ensure that I can focus on the academies that are serious about growing their business, I only have 20 spots available. Now, once you make the investment of $397, you'll get the blueprint immediately so you can get started. So click on the link below to secure your spot, and we look forward to seeing you in the webinar.